Hello guys, it's Moiblock here again with a new video. If you don't know what's going on right now, so I'm going to this museum, this airplane museum, and I'm doing a video about it. That's it. That's it. Nobody's here. This whole place is empty. Like, listen. Hello. Yeah, this whole place empty. There's no one. There's literally nobody here. I'm just alone walking. Just watching the airplane. Hey, we're going inside of it. We're going inside of that airplane. Let's go. So this is the airplane. It's cookies. Right now, outside just walking and a little bit of fresh air. When I'm walking, there's like this. That's an airplane, yeah. Now I'm going back to home. Yeah, it was quite a day. Yo, se menee.
Mulle kyllä tehtiin tolle, mä en saanut hakea mun kännykkää bussipysäkiltä.
No, ei auke.